When did a phone call get this complicated? For CIOs, communication isn't just a tool. It's cost, risk, compliance, and continuity. And right now, it's more complex than it should be. Even asking a simple question creates more questions. The real problem isn't how we communicate, it's everything that gets in the way. Multiple platforms, multiple numbers, multiple vendors, and too many decisions that should have been simple. Now imagine communications built on a single global voice layer. One that works across every platform you use today and tomorrow. This is UC Edge, BT's cloud-first enterprise voice control layer. Designed to simplify complexity, support choice, and future-proof your communications strategy. Whether you're running multi-vendor communications platforms, managing global numbering, or navigating sovereignty requirements, UC Edge simplifies the complex, giving you freedom to choose, adapt, and evolve without disruption. With UC Edge, complexity disappears. Change becomes simple. If UC Edge is the answer, what's your question? UC Edge, designed for choice, built for change.